Hello everyone, this is Gay and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. It's a beautiful Sunday and I would like to share with you my little gardening project over the weekend. Here are the garden beds that I bought from Bunnings Warehouse, Australia. On the left side, this is a treated pine wood raised garden bed, and on the right side, this is a raised garden planter. Today, we are going to do some unboxing and I'm going to show you step by step on how to install these beautiful garden beds. This is Pinnacle outdoor garden planter with a dimension of 950 mm in length, 350 mm in width, and 800 mm height. The reason I picked this is because of its portability. You can actually wheel the planter in and out of your home, and comfortable working height with 800 mm and a handy tray for storing gardening equipment. And not forgetting that it has a very large bed that's able to fill up 50 liters of soil. Wait no more and let's open up the box. Installation manual, the caster wheel, the legs, the body frame, some bolts and screws, handles or supporting bars, this is the rod to hold the wheels, washer, wheel, washer again with a cap nut. Repeat the same for the other side. Step number 2. This is the short side frame. Bolt and nuts. Step number 3. Plastic shoe. Short side frame. Step 4. Installing the long side frame. Ball and nuts. Step number 5. Laying the bottom frame. Step number 6. Laying the tray. Once all the parts are being installed, I'm going to tighten up all the bolts and screws. I just completed installing the garden planter set. It was a good experience, very easy to install, and I believe that all of you can do it at home. And for next week, we are going for our treated pine wood raised garden bed. So I'll see you. Bye bye.